words and their opposites.
Big elephant, small mouse. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. Look, this is a big elephant. And this is a small mouse. Hot sun and cold ice. This is hot, hot, hot. This is cold, cold, cold. This is hot, hot, hot. This is cold, cold, cold. This is a hot sun. And this is a cold ice. Day and night. It's a night, night, night. That's a day, day, day. A sunny day. It's dark and starry. That's night. Day, night. Fast car and slow turtle. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is fast, fast, fast. This is slow, slow, slow. The car is fast. The turtle is slow. Happy boy and sad girl. He is happy, happy, happy. She is sad, sad, sad. The boy is happy. And this girl looks sad. Happy, sad. Balloons and down balloons. This is up, up, up. This is down, down, down. This is up, up, up. This is down, down, down. The balloons goes up and now it comes down. Clean shirt and dirty shirt. This is clean, clean, clean. This is dirty, dirty, dirty. This shirt is clean and this one is dirty. Tall giraffe and short rabbit. This is tall, tall, tall. This is short, short, short. This giraffe is tall and this rabbit is short. Tall, short, tall, short. Great job, little stars. Now you know many opposites. Let's play a quick quiz. Which one is small? Elephant or mouse? Yes, the mouse. See you next time. Bye bye.